Oh, hey, what's happening? How everybody going? Right. I know what today is. Today is going to be a tutorial. So ask yourself this question. You're new on content creation. You're doing YouTube, you're doing Instagram, right? But you're studying. First of all, you know nothing to do. Like me. Well, when I know start now, start to figure out everything. So today I have an app. This app will spice up and push up your game with making your videos. If it's for IG, if it's for Facebook, if it's for YouTube and thing. And the best thing about it is free. Right. Step one, go to the Play Store, download the Legend app. Well, I found this in the Apple Play Store. Just download it. I'm sure the Apple Store will have it. After giving the installation to your phone or device, then you can proceed to step two, which is formatting and entering your text.
1 hour later.
Right, step three, real even simpler. Enter a picture, format your picture. If you have a small picture is nothing so big, so afterwards you get through. That is it. Export time. So you see, it was not hard, and the best part is free. Do thanks again for watching this video, and I appreciate your pass through. It has been real fun. This is the View 860 for content, as you know, we enjoy like this. So thanks for passing through. Peace.